Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to insert a SIM card and micro SD card inside of your Samsung Galaxy A52. Now what you want to do is get your phone ready, and you also want the SIM card eject tool. This is something that looks like this. It comes straight in the box. It'll take you 1 second to find it. So as long as you have this and this, you are pretty much set. All you want to do is look at the top of your Samsung Galaxy A52. So as you can see right there, you'll see a hole right here, that's the microphone, but you see another hole right here with a little kind of like a tab next to it. It's going to be on the leftish kind of corner or the rightish kind of corner if you're looking at the back. All you want to do is essentially get your micro SD, your SIM card eject tool right here, and you want to input it right into that little hole right there. You want to click down on it, and the little tab will actually end up coming out. So all you have to do at this point, as you can see, is you just want to go ahead and take that little tab out just like so. So you want to take it out like this, and you will see that you have the SIM card eject tool in your hands right now. Now what you want to do at this point is you want to go ahead and put your SIM card where the nano SIM card slot is. But if you want to put your micro SD card slot inside of it, all you have to do is put your micro SD card slot or micro SD card right there, and you are essentially done. Make sure you put it in the right way. I think this is the right way to put it in. Whenever you're ready to put your tool back in, your SIM card eject tool, whatever, you want to go ahead and grab your phone once more. You want to bring it to the side, and you want to match it up exactly how it's supposed to be positioned in. So as you can see, it's easy to push it in. It takes like 1 second. All you have to do is push it in correctly just like so. It clicked in place, and now you can see you are ready to rock and roll. At this point, you just want to boot your phone up, and you should be able to see that it either inputted your micro SD card slot or SIM card eject tool properly, or you may have to reinsert it sometimes. Maybe it doesn't see it the first time, but that's essentially how you do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.